Hello everybody and welcome back to my kitchen. So today we're doing something that I am incredibly skeptical of, but I'm gonna try it because why not? Also, I forgot that I don't have butter anymore, so I'm gonna use some oil. I haven't even gotten to the point of what I am making yet. I'm on a tangent. All right, so what I'm doing today is making a 5-minute cheesecake. Don't buy it, I don't buy it. Considering you microwave it for 4 minutes, 45 seconds a shot, I have to do maths. I don't have a very fancy microwave, in case you can't tell. Not fancy microwave. I can't do like beep beep 45 seconds. I have to guess. Apparently what I need is like 2 tablespoons of sugar, a thing of cream cheese. I just have 2 things of cream cheese. Reason being, this guy makes it in a ramekin like this big. You wanna see what I'm making it in? A quiche bowl, about 4 times the size. So my sister and I are going to have, this is so full of cat hair. We're gonna have so much, hopefully edible cheesecake. So let's follow this recipe. What we need to do is, look, the amount of butter I have. It's the tiniest amount of butter, but we're gonna go with it's definitely not a tablespoon. The butter is melting. It's melted. That looks pathetic. That's not gonna do it. We're gonna use some oil. Just a tad, just a touch. Yes, good. I'm hoping this works. Might not work. The oil might be a huge disaster. Who knows? Who knows? Not me. Ding. I'm just like kind of re-greasing this pan. Okay, fully re-greased. Greased it twice, guys. It's not gonna stick. What is happening here? What is this? What is this? All right, now he said 2 graham crackers. I don't buy it. Also, I'm using Mari biscuits because how do you get into a bag of Mari biscuits? Also, in the video, this guy just goes with his fingers and powder. And I'm like, yeah, that's not gonna happen. Not with my weak fingers. I can't get into this bag of biscuits. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna use 3. I'm gonna use 4. I'm gonna use 5, and what I don't need, I can take out, right? And I'm going to be super extra and do it in a mortar and pestle because I want it to be soft and powdery. I have a weird texture thing. There, it's all dusted. And now that's what he does in the video. It's fun! Like I said, I don't really have any faith at all in this recipe. I mean, especially considering I'm not doing like a microwave size thing. It's definitely not gonna take 5 minutes. And I don't trust making a cheesecake in a microwave. Like, who would? But we'll see, maybe it's amazing. More Mari biscuits. This is not enough. I'm gonna make more Mari biscuits. All right, hold on 1 moment. I'm just gonna make some more crust. Some more crust. Bottom of the thing. I'm gonna have to like double this recipe. I'm gonna have to use all of the cream creams. Cream creams. This is not getting to a place where it needs to be. It's my fault. It's user error. It's generally an all-around mess right now. I mean, I suppose if you're making it in a tiny ramekin this big, like, it'll take me 5 minutes. This isn't gonna take me 5 minutes. It's gonna be such a waste of cream cheese. I'm so worried. Come on, we've got almost just enough for the thinnest crust in the world. Oh my goodness, I need to crush more Mari biscuits. No! New plan, I had a wave of genius. I'm gonna scrape all of the work that I just did back into my mortar and pestle, even though it's tiny. And I'm gonna mush it up that way to make my base, crust, crumb. The word is escaping my brain, so. Okay, so after doing that, this is the consistency that I'm left with. And it's one that I'm much happier with. And put it into the base. Much better. Okay, there we go. That's looking nice. Still don't trust it. but it's looking pretty good. Look at this. Look at that face. It's cream cheese time. Something fell out of the box. What is it? Nobody knows because I'm not going to pick it up right now because I'm making cheesecake. 5-minute microwave cheesecake. What? Cheese, 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 cheese. You want to see what I'm doing down here? Let's do it. Let's do it, friends. Let's get to it. What is up? Yo, welcome to the counter of my kitchen. Hey. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. It's not soft. It's been sitting in the fridge all day. So, all of it. I'll be amazed if this works. Honestly, like if this is anywhere half decent, I'll be amazed. Look at the cream cheese, guys. It said 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm obviously making a lot more than what that made. So I'm gonna add 1, 2 and a little bit. Also, I'm using brown sugar. This is gonna look real bad. It said 3 drops of vanilla. What? I think that's good enough. Now to try and mix this all together. This isn't gonna work. It's too cold. I don't think it's enough. Only the genius that I am could cut myself on a plastic tub. I mean, it's the smallest cut, but of course, only Heather could do that. I'm also gonna add a little bit more sugar. It's too much cream cheese, not enough sugar, not enough vanilla, that's for sure. Yep, yep. I'm essentially making this whole thing by taste. What's up, guys? Welcome to my kitchen floor. I'm gonna crouch down here for a second and talk through my armpit. Yeah, I'm making it by taste. Yeah, I didn't feel like figuring out the measurements and stuff. Like he's got a ramekin and I've got a quiche thing. I thought we had ramekins. I thought I had ramekins lying around somewhere. I thought Lemon Squeeze had ramekins. Nobody's got ramekins. So we're just making a giant cheesecake in a microwave. I see this going wonderfully well. Camera stopped recording because I was recording for too long. Delightful. Okay, I'm gonna keep stirring this up and, you know, hopefully things work out well for me. I would say that's okay. Tastes like cheesecake to me, I guess. So let's put it in the thing. We're so close to cooking it. Oh my goodness. I can taste it now. Bloop, bloop, bloop. It's just pulling up all of the base. I think only I could screw up such an easy recipe this badly. Well, I didn't mix this very well. There's just lumps of straight cheese in there. Disaster is not enough. Whoa, who'd have thunk it? My 1 tablespoon of extra cheesecake. We have a cheesecake, ladies and gentlemen. Pretty horrific looking cheesecake. At least give it swirlies on top. Maybe something pretty will happen. It's time to microwave it for probably more than 4 minutes. Let's head over to the microwave. The microwave is over here, guys. I don't know how to do this. Where is my cheesecake? I left it over here. Okie dokie. 45 seconds. I really need something to drink. Water. Old water. New water. Ping! Another 45 seconds. This is gonna take a while. What happens when you don't follow the recipe or have the correct things? I could have just bought a ramekin, but no. I feel like this isn't how cream cheese works. You just keep going, boo. You just do you. Just pop the door open every now and then. So yeah, I have to chill it in the freezer for 30 minutes until completely cool to the touch. Then pull it out. You see, I was just gonna be like, it's ready! And try and pop it out on a plate. That would have ended so well. Reading is important. Always read. See, we're learning lessons, you know. Last time we learned to grease them all. This time we learned to read the recipe. So I'm gonna turn this off and turn this off until this is done cooking, and I'll show you guys what's happening, and I'll put it in the freezer and then show you the finished result. We're almost there, it's so close. But it's got like a ring in the middle. That's just not quite cooked. If you're going to do this, just do it in a small ramekin. It's almost done. It's so close, you guys. It's so close.
1 eternity later.
I'm I'm gonna call it, it's done. That doesn't look good. I'm gonna put it in the fridge now. Okay, it's been chilling in the fridge. This is what it looks like. Are you ready for the inevitable doom that is to come? Because now I've gotta flip it out of here. I'm following the tutorial. I have a knife. Now, you ready? Because I'm not. Whoop! I don't think anything's gonna happen. Oh no, that's going back in there. I didn't let it set long enough. We'll come back to that, I guess. This cheesecake has been chilling for quite a while now. Hopefully this will solve the problem that I had earlier. Also, my camera died, so I'm filming on my phone and it's super shaky because my arms are tired. And I don't do know up about a strength. Look at these granny arms. Let's try flip this thing out again. The whole base is still in there, so you know what I'm gonna do? Because I'm going to make it work. I already had low hopes. Everything's going according to plan, it's fine. Ready for the disaster? Here we go. Oh. It worked, kind of. There was literally no point in getting that out of there. Here it is. The cheesecake. Let's get a slice. Let's grab a strawberry. Boom. Look at it, it's beautiful. Another kitchen disaster by Heather. Look at this. What have I made? I guess we better try it, you know? Welcome to the tasting portion of this video. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not cheesecake. That's false advertising, my friend. This is not cheesecake. But you know what? It will be eaten. I'm gonna eat the strawberry. I want this more than the cheesecake. So that's it for this video. Let me know if you want me to try it again with the actual proper ramekin size, see if it works out better than my absolute disaster. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of it down in the comments below. And if you would like to support me, please subscribe, it really helps out. All right, thanks so much for watching this video and I will see you in the next one.